Everybody wants success, but nobody wants to die. Well, I have met a lot of people in my life and journey that they want to start and they want to achieve small little things, but when it comes to doing that thing, when it comes to achieving certain things by doing activities or doing the work or following a process, they simply deny. They simply don't get it. And they always say and question that what is the secret to success? On the same line, I'm going to tell you about a story. A boy once met an old wise man and he then asked, "Can you tell me the secret to success?" The wise old man asked the boy, "All right, definitely I will tell you the secret to success. You can meet me in the morning on the river bank and I will tell you what is the secret to success." The boy could not hold himself. He did not even have a proper sleep. He woke up early in the morning and he ran towards the river bank. He met the wise old man. And he said, "Okay, I'm here. Tell me what is the secret to success." The old wise man held his hand and he started walking towards the river. And as he reached to a point where water came to his mouth, he ducked the boy into the river water. And as soon as he ducked the boy into the river water, the boy tried to come out because he was not able to breathe. And then he realized that there were fishes and other creatures which were touching his leg, and he more desperately tried to come out of the water. But as he tried, the wise old man pushed him further down. And finally, when the wise old man realized that it was an extreme point, then he pulled that boy out of the water. And as he came out of the water, he took a huge sigh of relief. He took a huge deep breath. As he relaxed, he asked the old wise man, "What did you do with me? I would have died. So is this the secret to success?" The wise old man said, "What did you do when you were under the water?" The boy replied, "I was simply trying to come out of the water." The wise man again asked the question, "Why were you trying to come out of the water?" The boy said, "I needed the air. I was desperately trying to breathe. I needed the air, and that is the reason I was trying to come out of the water." Well, there you go. The wise man replied, if you need the success, you need success as much as you needed the air while you were under the water. If you need the success, you need to have a burning desire. If you need the success, you need to have the obsession. As you might have heard, that a small amount of fire will bring a small amount of heat. Similarly, a weak desire will produce a weak result. If you're not obsessed in achieving what you want to achieve, if you don't have a burning desire, you cannot achieve that. Of course, there are many other things. You need to have clarity, you need to have discipline, you need to have consistency. But till the time you do not have a self-motivation, you do not have a burning desire, you do not have obsession, you can never be successful. So in case if you have any questions or feedback, please, you may want to drop them in the comment section. I would be glad to answer or take it as a feedback. So this is your friend Tausif Hassan signing off. Until we meet again, have a happy weekend.